Hey there, tech enthusiasts and curious minds. Welcome to your daily AI news update. I'm Isabella Yuha, and today is Tuesday, November 4th. Let's dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and see what big moves Google and Microsoft have been making this past week. Google's AI fuels strong earnings. First up, Google's parent company, Alphabet, just announced some impressive financial results for the third quarter. They made more money than expected, reaching over $102 billion in revenue. A big reason for this success? Artificial intelligence. Google says its AI advancements are making advertising smarter and improving your experience on platforms like Google Search and YouTube. So, when you see more relevant ads or find what you're looking for faster, you can thank the AI behind the scenes. It shows how much AI is already driving big business decisions and making our online world more efficient. Google boosts online security with AI. Next, Google is stepping up its game to keep us safe online, using AI to fight tricky cyber threats. They've rolled out new AI-powered security features designed to detect things like fake audio, cleverly written fake messages, and other manipulation techniques that even humans might miss. With more sophisticated scams and deepfake videos out there, it's getting harder to tell what's real. Google's new AI security acts like a super smart guardian, working in the background to protect your emails and browsing, making your digital life a lot safer from these advanced attacks. Microsoft and OpenAI reshaped their partnership. In a significant development for the AI world, Microsoft and OpenAI have ironed out a major agreement regarding their partnership. They resolved what's called the AGI clause crisis. This new deal means Microsoft now owns a 27% stake in OpenAI, and, crucially, it allows Microsoft the freedom to develop its own Advanced Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI, independently. This is a big deal because AGI aims to create AI that can think and learn like a human. This new freedom from Microsoft could speed up the development of incredibly powerful AI tools that might change how we work, learn, and interact with technology in fundamental ways, bringing us closer to a future with more advanced intelligent systems. Microsoft's AI investments under scrutiny. Speaking of Microsoft, their latest financial report for the first quarter of fiscal year 2026 showed strong growth in their cloud and AI businesses. However, investors are starting to get a little anxious. They're looking for more proof that Microsoft's huge spending on AI infrastructure will actually lead to big profits. This tension highlights the massive cost of building advanced AI. Companies like Microsoft are investing billions, hoping for a big payoff down the line. If investors get cold feet, it could influence how quickly and in what areas AI technologies are developed and brought to us, the everyday users. Google and Bing index AI-generated Encyclopedia. Finally, we're seeing a fascinating new chapter in how AI-generated content is being handled online. Both Google and Bing are now indexing a brand new online encyclopedia called Grokpedia, which boasts over 800,000 pages created entirely by artificial intelligence. This is a big step for AI-generated information. While it's exciting to have so much content created so quickly, it also brings up questions about trust and accuracy. As search engines start including more AI-generated material, it'll be interesting to see how this changes how we find information and what we consider a reliable source. That's it for now. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Isabella Yuha, helping people feel confident with new technology.